Well, I'm back on my patio to bring you guys another pattern review. This dress might already look a little familiar to you. That's because I already showed it to you in my March Makes video. If you remember that, then you know I'm a little on the fence about how flattering it is. But before I get into that, let me tell you about the pattern and fabric. The pattern is the Seamwork Dani dress. In theory, this little mini dress is so my style. I love the relaxed fit, but how it's still a little spicy with the deep V neckline and short hemline. The pattern is constructed really well. First, it's fully lined, and each opening, the neckline and the arm size, have their own facings that's all sewn from self fabric, making sure that those facings are never seen from the right side. It's such a professional and expensive looking touch. The fabric is a stretch pleather. I have no idea where I got it. Maybe Mood on one of my first trips to New York City. I actually got it to make leggings, but as my style has evolved, I told myself that I would never wear them, so this fabric just sat in my stash. When I saw the Dani dress pop up, I thought it could be cool in a leather-looking fabric, so I went for it. Now, let's talk about the fit. It's not terrible, but it's not good either. I think the neckline bothers me the most. I don't like how it's gaping open, which I think is a sign that there's not enough fabric across the bust or the shoulder slope is off. I need to consult some books to investigate further. I can't remember exactly why that happens. But the next issue is the waist. I don't mind that it's not super fitted. I chose the dress because of that. What does bother me is that there's some puckering. When I was sewing it, the bodice was smaller than the skirt, so I had to ease them together, and with this pleather, you can really see that effort. Another issue, similar to the waist, are the darts in the back. The purpose of a dart is to create some fullness, whether that be for your bust or your bum or your shoulders or whatever. So since this dress is already loose fitting, I'm not sure any darts are necessary, especially not 4 of them, which is what the back of this dress has. They are causing this skirt to flare out away from my body in a way that just looks weird to me. So I think I'm going to leave it up to you guys. What do y'all think? Does this look good on me, or should I refashion it into something else? I could easily just chop off the bodice and use the skirt for a separate skirt. But then, does that mean that this pattern is just a no for me, or should I try to make it work by fixing and altering the waist and the skirt to better fit my shape? Then again, all of the issues I'm having could be due to fabric choice, and all the issues could be fixed by simply picking a fabric that's better suited for this pattern. Y'all can see why I'm so torn about this one. What do y'all think? I really need your help. But that is going to do it for me today. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all again very soon. Bye!